The most important issue is Manipur. So we have been discussing about Manipur and Adani related scam during these months, but we are nowhere near to a solution. So on Manipur, we demanded two things. There must be a political solution and which must begin with the resignation of the Chief Minister. And we have to form an all-inclusive government. Secondly, as far as this Adani related scam is concerned, by suspending 149 MPs, including me, during the last session, this government has proven one thing, that Adani is above Parliament of India. Port was given to Adani, air was given to Adani, oil was given to Adani. In a way, practically, Parliament also has given to him. So we demand a JPC because massive bribery, cheating cases are being raised against him by the US court, and his activities have become an insult to the country. So our government should take a serious note of this, and there must be at least a JPC. And apart from this, even after 4 months of this unfortunate Wayanad landslides, not even a single rupee was awarded to the state of Kerala. The Prime Minister was kind enough to visit the state of Kerala, but it has ended with some photos only. Practically, it was a photo shootout only, we are sorry to say. By just offering, these reasons, technical reasons, they denied the genuine demands of the state of Kerala. And it's not an insult to the people of Kerala, but an insult to the federal democratic system of Kerala. So this issue we have raised. And Waqf, it should not be a point to divide the country further. There must be consensus. You must take proper time, and it should not take any hasty decision. This Waqf related issues were also raised by my party. And now the 16th Financial Commission has started its work. So 16th Finance Commission should do justice to the federal sector of the country. It should be a federal friendly commission. This is what we have stated. And one more issue is related to the excessive usage of Hindi language. So if you go through the bills and its names especially, some of these names are in Hindi only. Vayu, Vidhayak, like that. So it should be understandable to all Indians. So make it in English. We are not against Hindi, but we need English titles and the government is in favor of that. They told us that I was the first one to raise this issue, and another MP from RSP also raised, but government in a way considered to that demand, it seems.